袋啊，真係垃圾袋嗰啲垃圾袋啊。
喺邊度啊？
喺嗰個 counter 平時攞垃圾袋嗰個拖出嚟噶嘛。喺嗰個 counter 平時攞垃圾袋嗰個拖出嚟噶嘛，但係就隔離右手邊嗰個櫃係掀門，即係拉門出嚟嘅，掀個門啊，好似平時啲櫃咁啊。
揭門啊，揭門打開個門啊。
咁然之後咧就喺下面嗰層角落頭度，你睇有冇啊？
咩色嘅？
嗰啲灰色嗰啲咯，或者係 garage 門口嗰度咧，細門嗰度咧，咪側邊有個架嘅。我之前有一盒喺度嘅，我唔知仲有冇喺度咧。
你嗰個係咪白色嘅？
白色係啊，係啊。
但係好薄嘅啫喎，同埋唔係咁大個喎。
唔使理佢，唔使理佢。
成卷嘅喎。
呀，你掹，咁你攞晒成卷出嚟啊！
你而家喺邊度啊？
我而家翻緊嚟啦，我已經出咗 freeway 啦，啱啱。And then 咧個仔。
冇嘢係架車。
梗係有啦，我翻咗嚟屋企先攞咗啲嘢先，然之後跟住再過去咩度咯。我出租屋嗰度抌低佢嗰啲 bed frame 啊，嗰啲嘢啊，咪擺喺邊度啫？但係咧，佢話 apartment 要 clean 啊，但係我又諗住淨係 clean 間房咯，一係你得唔得幫手去 clean 啊？你攞手套，你
唔愛啊！佢問我去嚟做乜喎？唔愛啊！
咁唔愛咁有得佢俾錢啦。
你去啦，佢朋友嗰啲房有冇 clean 咧？
佢哋間未啦，個廳嗰度嗰啲嘢都未執。我而家攞翻晒我自己嗰啲嘢，即係喺爹哋嗰度攞過嚟俾佢哋用嗰啲嘢，我而家自己攞翻晒。
佢仲有個生果盤嘅喎，好大個嗰個嗰啲咩 silver 定係咩色啊？嗰啲好大個嘅喎。我唔見
嗰個生果盤啊！你講係可以吊住梳蕉嗰個係咪啊？
唔係，吊住個梳要唔要都唔愛啦，嗰個又唔係好值錢。有個好大嘅擺喺梳化側邊嘅。
嗰個唔係生果盤啊，梳化側邊嗰個你即係講緊係個好似個 night stand 咁樣啊嘛。
係啊，係一個盤嚟㗎。唔係 sorry， 唔係擺衫啊，係一入大門口側邊咪有個長櫃嘅，長嘅去到胸咁高嗰啲櫃嘅，嗰個面上面擺 display 嗰個啊。
我唔知你講咩啊！一入門口，
你周圍得喺爹哋嗰間屋度，一入門口右手邊有一個長台㗎嘛，櫃啊嘛。
唔係櫃嚟㗎，台嚟㗎。哦，你講食飯廳啊？
飯廳出邊啊，未入飯廳啊 ，OK，係貼住左手邊啊，左右。
咁咪 entry 個 console 咯，即係你擺大門口嗰度嗰個
盤，等於你擺生果呢個盤仲要深啊 ，OK，嗰啲先值錢啊！你嗰個咪吊香蕉嗰個有鬼錢值咩？揾條繩都吊到啦。你睇啦，佢攞咗去，你話佢中意㗎嘛？我要你話佢中意啊，佢要搬去新屋啊嘛，咪由佢攞咯。
No， 你話要佢啊攞嗰個係講緊嗰啲紙放紙嗰個架啫嘛，我攞咗翻嚟啦。
唔係放紙。
冇盤啊！我唔知你講咩盤啊 ，OK？ 爹哋有個金色嘅盤，成塊好似葉咁樣嘅，嗰個就擺飯廳嘅，即係 formal 正式個飯廳嘅。
咁而家喺邊度啊？
應該喺爹哋嗰度啊，佢應該冇攞過去啊，咁鬼老土攞嚟做咩啊？
仲有一個好大嘅，好似你哋擺生果呢個盤咁樣嘅。
等一陣啊 ，OK， 我俾警察唔知響我咩鐘啊，係咁啊。What is the problem? Oh shoot. do something wrong?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Officer Griffith, Allen Police Department. And when you came off the service road and turned on McDermott, you went from a straight lane. And you almost caused a crash. The car right beside you could have turned left or went straight. You were in a straight only lane and you almost turned into the car. They had to stop so they didn't hit you.
Wait, I'm sorry. Can you repeat that again?
Yeah, so on the northbound service road at McDermott, we were all stopped at the light.
Right.
You were in the right-hand lane, not the right turn lane, but the right-hand lane. And it's a straight-only lane.
It was a straight only
You
lane?
were in a straight only lane. It was only allowed, that strip lane was only allowed to go straight through the intersection. The one right beside
Wait.
you could turn left or go straight.
Wait. The furthest left was the one that make a U-turn, right? You can.
Yes.
And then I think I was on the second lane, right?
You got the U-turn lane, then you have a left only. The middle lane is a left and a straight lane. You were in the right-hand lane and went and turned left in the straight only lane.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is my way home. I was not gonna go beyond the two left lane. Not besides the one that you turn, the second left and then the third left from the furthest lane. Okay, the first one is U-turn, the second, and then the third.
Yeah.
I usually just do second and the third. That
Yeah,
I
those
would
are the two left turn lanes.
right, but most of the time I do the second one
Okay.
and then make
Tell
a
you what,
left.
I'm going to go back and pause my video and go back because when I had to turn my lights and siren on to get through that intersection. So I took my eyes off the car that did turn. So I'm not saying 100% it's you, but I'm going to go back and confirm my
Yeah, because
camera.
I usually go home from this way, you know. So
List your driver's license, and then I will be right back after I review that video, okay?
okay, because I was also, you know, I was actually with my mom on the call, okay, because she was calling me. Actually, I called her on something, you know, because I'm actually in the way helping my son to move, out of the apartment. So I was trying to get her to get me some garbage bag that I'm gonna drop by home before I go to
Let me go review that video.
drop
and
off
clear
the
it all
stuff.
up.
So that's why I think that was the time when I was making the turn. But like I said, I usually would just
We'll look at the video and then we'll know.
Okay, all right.